Good day, everyone. You can see we are doing a sensitization program on the topic poultry production to our young generation. These younger generations, I know most of them don't even know things about poultry production, so it is very, very important that we should put or inculcate this habit of poultry farming into them. So this is what we are doing. You can see me sensitizing them, giving them practical knowledge on poultry farming. So I encourage everyone to do things like that in their schools. Thank you very much. You can see the different questions that they have been asking me, and I've been giving them answers. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you another wonderful day. Bye-bye.